Welcome back, everyone. We're back to WT High. So obviously, I got caught out of the sell trade. Okay, I couldn't update it yesterday because of power outage, which I've explained in the gold video. But that is not the case. The case here is on Tuesday, this trade got me closed out, and I said the moment it came back to 60%, okay, I mean 61.8%. I'm gonna reduce the trade to 0.2%. Okay, I don't want to probably lose all those things. I don't want all my stop loss to be taken out like that. So that's what happened, and I partial closed to 0.2%, and the rest just take me out. So I lose something around just $80. Okay, so which is fine because of course I took some profit here as well. So averagely, I'm still making a profit of plus 148. I think, yeah, around that, around 48 or 150 or $60. I don't know. I don't really put mine to money that I make. I just put mine to the system that works. That's what I focus on major. Currently, okay, the market is back to the downside. And I've always wanted to take a sell trade. I've been saying that for a very, very long time. Okay, I've always wanted to take a sell trade. And then the opportunity presented itself yesterday, which I took. All right, the market broke below here, made a sharp pullback, and then I saw those two engulfing candlesticks. I took the trade here and it came down a little bit, went back up. It is as usual as nothing. Why? Because that is what WTI always does. Okay, it will be going in your direction, and then all of a sudden it will go back into drawdown. Then we start moving your direction again. Okay, that is exactly what I thought was happening here, but that was not the case. It was quite unfortunate. Closed me out and lost, but it is what it is. All right. So now what is the plan? Okay, for those that if you actually watch my previous, like the last three videos on WTI before we start looking for buy here, okay, when we're looking for short here, we're looking for short here, okay, so you would have noticed that this set trade has already been part of the play, okay, and I keep saying it as well that if I see a break below this support, a pullback, I will take a short, okay, so and that is exactly what happened. When you see breakout, pullback, sell to the downside, and the market dropped to around 230 pips yesterday. Okay, I don't like using points. Okay, so I like using pips instead. So it dropped around 230 pips yesterday, which was very fabulous, very fantastic. Though I joined a little late. Okay, I joined around when it dropped to like I think 75 pips. Okay, so that's when I was able to I joined right here. So everything that happened here before I couldn't join because I'm still waiting for the trade to properly form. I wanted to all build up and be properly put together so I can take a very good trade. And right now I'm in the trade, and the trade is running profit. Excuse me for that. So what is the plan now? There's nothing to actually look forward to. Okay, I've already started trailing my stock already. I mean, the way WTI moves these days, I don't really understand it. So I really just want to start trading immediately. So since the market did this, okay, and it is pullback, I would love to see something like this, probably another push to the upside, and then drop down. So I can adjust my trailing stop, okay, to this level right here, and then probably go back up again and drops, and I'll put my trailing stop here again. Okay, if that is the case. But if not, my trailing stop is already here. Okay. So if the market eventually went back up, it's gonna close me out and loss, then I will look for another sell entry. Okay, probably if it break below here and start going down. So that's the plan. But for now, the market is still open, it's running in profit, and I'm gonna see how it goes. As you can see, the 20 period moving average, 21 period moving average also makes sense. It looks very bearish. It supports the momentum, it supports the old drive. So I'm just gonna keep it that way. I'm gonna follow it through slow and steady. There's no point in rushing in or rushing out on this trade. There is no drama, no really stressful stuff. Okay, even during the Asian session, we saw this pullback, which is fine. So maybe by the time London properly open, we see another pullback, then we see a drop. Okay, so that is that. And where is my ultimate target? I've already said it. My target is right below here. Okay, my target is right below here, and that is around 79.60. 79.60. That is my target for now. Okay, if I can get that, that should be around 3.2%. Okay, 3.2%. Okay, which would be very, very brilliant for me. So that's all I have for you on WTI. I swear, I'm in a trade, it's running fine. If you want to join, wait for the next pullback. Okay, the pullback is already happening now, so just wait for it to properly finished. Okay, and also you can use Fibonacci. Okay, just bring a Fibonacci from there, plot it right there, and put it below here. Exactly. If you can see at least 38.6%, or probably to an extreme end of 50%, okay, this area, and then you can look for what? You can look for a short trade, okay? But make sure you get at least 38.2, okay? 0.2% pullback before you can look for a short trade, so that you can take a much discounted sell. Right here, it might be too soon, okay, to enter a short trade, and also maybe we never get a 8.2. So it's your decision, it's what you think is right, but my advice would be around 38.2 and 50%. That is my own personal opinion. All right, so and then you can take a short trade after the break of this flag pattern, and you can still target my exact area, which is 79.6%. So that is that on WTI today. I'm going to catch you later. Have a nice day. Bye bye.